Looking for speaker cables that deliver clear, reliable sound without breaking the bank? Bullz Audio's Professional Platinum Edition speaker cable might be exactly what you need. With 16-gauge oxygen-free copper and ultra-flexible design, this cable ensures maximum signal transfer and high current capacity for your audio setup. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or enhancing your car's sound system, this cable promises consistent performance you can count on. I've tested these cables myself, and what stands out is their build quality and ease of use. The semi-clear red and black jacket not only looks sharp but also lets you see the wires inside, which makes installation straightforward. Stripping the cable was smooth, no fuss, no damage. I hooked them up to a pair of Polk M10 speakers, and the sound was noticeably crisp and balanced. The shielding feels solid, reducing interference and preserving audio clarity. Plus, it comes in multiple lengths, from 25 feet spools up to 500 feet, so you get exactly what fits your space. One thing that surprised me, although the box mentions car audio speakers, these cables are universal. That means they work just as well for home speakers, professional setups, or any other audio application. If you're tired of cheap wires that degrade your sound or break easily, this is a solid upgrade. The price is competitive, especially considering the quality and durability you get. If you want your speakers to perform at their best, Bullz Audio's Platinum Edition cables are worth a look. Try them when you're ready to hear the difference.